Welcome. So this is the airdrop that I will share with you today. So feel free to join. And this is airdrop that kind of like Mavia airdrop that I get is some money from there. A lot of people get over $50. I get $89 from that airdrop Mavia. Hero is Mavia. Every people just set an up, okay, and therefore they got over $50. Just account setup. So heroes of mafia, and that has been ended. I'm just sharing it with you that they distribute people a lot of money. I would say even I got money from mafia airdrop. So that was one event, and same event I'm I can see Nyan heroes. So this airdrop is ongoing. If you wanna join, come into my telegram, tap on comment box. I will show you how do you come into here. So this is the post link on telegram, keep in mind, and this is the join link. No referral record here, just I'm showing you how do you join. So go to your browser, open your browser, and everything I will make sense you. I will clear you as much as I can. So the interface will be like this while you click on that link, and pretty much imagine straightforward like website is so astonishing, I would say, so fast, speed better than other website. So first thing first, you noticed sign in button. Click on upper right option, sign in, click on there, select your EVM browser, and I will recommend you MetaMask always. Every airdrop EVM wallet is required, okay, especially MetaMask. I will recommend you to doing, because Web3 MetaMask is number one, I would say. Now so click on to that website that we are using. Now if you click on verify, it will work. Now authorize apps. So now should you do? Click on that verify button. So it will bring into inside of that website. So if it is not work, no problem, I will do connect for you and show you how to do connect. Fuck up, close all fucking tabs that will prevent you to join, and after copy that link and paste here. Okay, so paste exactly that link here and it will bring into exactly this website. So wait here a few minutes. Nothing to wait. Click on verify. Now it will be connected with your Twitter. So let me try. So I'm just saying over and over again, it will be kind of, but it's unfortunately ultimately it's not connecting with my Twitter. What the fuck is happening? Fuck up. So now just loading over and over again. Fuck up. Authorize. Click on there. Let me see. This time. Fuck up. So I'm saying, yeah, done. Noticed? Done. Just try over and over again and put your email here. Put your fucking email and send code and fuck up your email. Because already arrived on my email box. So 174403 174403 fuck up 174403 verify, click verify button, bam. Okay, so now go their nyanxterio.com missions, their website, and here we go. So Nakovia, rise up, complete missions, refer friends, climb Mew, get reward with Nyan. So connect here if you wanna connect your Twitter, definitely do that. It will be better. Okay, already Twitter I wanna get from you, authorize that website. So now it is connected. Congratulations, you got 200 mil. Proceed to missions and you will get more point from Mew's point from doing this task. Like start, now unique missions inside my kit and code, unlock, listen to valid present. Okay, fuck up. So fast press, nothing I have about fast press. So complete this below task. Okay. So here is nothing to do. What I am doing that complicated. Just come into here, arrive this website, and after that, just verify this exactly that I'm doing. Bam. Now like and retweet this tweet. Do that. Go to Twitter, like that post, and it will be done. Okay. So now, what should I do? Here is like and repost. Okay. you your way. I will suggest you come into here and click on now verify button. It will be done. Okay, submit. Congratulations, submitted. Congratulations on your submission. Please check if you have win a prize. So done. Do this way, nothing complicated. Result reveal after int stage. Okay, the process is like this. Ethereum based token indeed they will give you. So I'm hoping. So this is the process of Nyan Xterio Airdrop. So you can join pretty much straightforward way. This is the process. I will suggest to join. Come into my Telegram, check out comment box.